Getting ready for the ultimate sound system. Going from singing to roaring. Starting out JLW3 subwoofer. In the rear, nestled nearby, SLP full stainless steel exhaust all the way back. There's the power flow pipes going into their custom bullet mufflers, into their crossover pipe, into their brand new stainless steel ceramic coated header system. Kicker high-end tweets for the doors. Back of the car's already got the power flow axle back system. Looks great. Sounds mild. It's going to sound wild now. And the rear, we have Alpine 5-channel, 300 watts the sub, and 300 the rest. Just finished the install at TNT Performance. Sounded really sweet. That is sweet. Sweet. Put a set of headers on that. That's an automatic. Yeah, header.